Hi folks, here Lawrence from Italy, actually in Scotland, and today we are going to the Isle of Skye.
Shipwreck in the dark, far from the harbor, far from the start. In a storm, I lost my sails, I lost all direction, got caught in the veil. I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love, lost in the sea. I didn't know love till you found me. I didn't know love till you set me free. Didn't know love. Didn't know love. She was sinking, falling fast, so I abandoned ship, held on the mast. In the ocean, wild and loud, I was just waiting. I was drifting out